Billy had his last round's vaccines today. What a good boy. Say hi, Keefe. Now this is what happens when I go to the freezer to get ice, because they love eating the ice. This time, I wanted to show you what the watermelon looks like. So let's see how they do. Keith's probably going to take it to the bed. Do I know my dog or what? He's always a little... This one, oh, he's still chewing on it. What do you think? You like it? Chewed up good with them baby shark teeth. Good boy. This one, yeah, he's gotta take his time and Keith's got to eat his, and then I'll give you another piece later. You don't want to have too much. So I just wanted to share with you guys. It's cool. It's frozen. They love it.